Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Weverse app. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you turn off your Wi-Fi and you turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.